Mother Nature never ceases to amaze us with the wonderment and terror she inflicts on us, and these rare weather patterns are no different. Here are 10 rare occurrences of weather phenomenon. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you know what's coming next. Lenticular clouds. Lenticular clouds are commonly mistaken for UFOs, which doesn't help when it comes to verifying the existence of aliens. While these types of clouds are rare, they can be explained. Lenticular clouds happen when moist air flows over a mountain and creates oscillating waves. When the temperature at the crest of the wave equals the dew point temperature, it creates the lens-shaped clouds, but aliens can also be the explanation. Volcanic lightning. This rare phenomenon looks truly terrifying and something out of a horror movie where God wreaks havoc on the world. Also known as a dirty thunderstorm, this rare phenomenon occurs due to the volcanic plumes that rise from the lava inferno. These volcanic plumes are filled with electrical static and energy from the rock, ash, and ice inside, and when all of these elements combine, they will occasionally create a thunderstorm. Colorful solar storm. In order for a colorful solar storm to appear, it requires perfect conditions that are nearly impossible to create on a regular basis. To put it in simple, non-scientific terms, a severe solar flare or storm has to hit the Earth, and it has to combine with the northern lights. Once this happens, say, a solar flare hits the aurora borealis and pushes it further down south. Because the northern lights already have some color and magnetic energy pushing more color variations to the phenomenon, people up north can be treated to an amazing, colorful light show. Asperatus clouds. Asperatus clouds are truly a rare phenomenon that was recently added to the cloud database in 2009 and seem to have a sense of foreboding. The term asperatus in Latin means agitated waves, and these clouds most commonly appear before a thunderstorm. Essentially, this rare phenomenon occurs when the winds at cloud level produce a wind shear that makes the wavy effects. Next time you feel a gust of wind before a thunderstorm, look up. You just might catch a glimpse of some asperatus clouds. Fire whirl. Fire whirls, also known as fire tornadoes, is a fire that is made up of flame and ash that come from the ground and then swirl around by the surrounding air. Unlike their tornado cousins, fire whirls don't come from the sky and instead wreak havoc from the ground. They are extremely rare and much more destructive than your average wildfire, as it flares out, burning the surrounding environment and releasing flaming debris, which spreads the destructive path of the fire whirl. Thunder snow. Thunder snow is a thunderstorm where instead of rain, the precipitation is snow. Look at it this way. Regular thunderstorms are caused by narrow updrafts from moist air rising from the Earth's surface that can reach 40,000 feet, and the air is above freezing. Snowstorms are created from flat and shallow clouds that reach about 20,000 feet. In the case of thunder snow, snow clouds create bumps known as turrets, which are unstable and cause updrafts and downdrafts, which contributes to the creation of precipitation, also known as snow and hail. As the precipitation collides and bounces off of itself, it creates an electrical charge which results in lightning. Fire rainbow. A fire rainbow sounds intimidating, but it is actually pretty cool. Also known as a circumhorizontal arc, the fire rainbow looks like a rainbow in the clouds, and it occurs when the sun is above 58 degrees in the sky. Cirrus clouds have to be present as they are thin and wispy and occur in higher altitudes. Since these kind of clouds exist in higher and colder conditions, what is causing the rainbow light refraction is ice crystals. Fog bow. This kind of rainbow forms from fog instead of rain, and they are typically white. Also known as a white rainbow, the fog bow is white because the condensation reflects little light, and it results in very weak colors being displayed, as opposed to stronger and bolder colors on display from rain. The occurrences of this phenomenon are rare, as just the right amount of light is needed in order to be seen, as well as extremely good eyesight. Catatumbo lightning. At first glance, Catatumbo lightning looks like it is heralding the end of the world, and the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse are about to arrive at any minute. This weather phenomenon is rare because it only occurs over the mouth of the Catatumbo River in Venezuela, where it empties into Lake Maracaibo. The storm occurs up to 160 nights a year, 10 hours per day, and 280 times an hour. Again, it only happens in that location as the rare formation of storm clouds hover overhead. Morning Glory. Morning glory clouds are so rare that scientists struggle to come up with an agreement as to how these long roll clouds are formed. They are mainly seen at Burketown in Australia during the fall. The clouds attract spectators from all over the world, including glider pilots who try to ride on the clouds for a thrill. Each roll cloud is about 620 miles long and about 1.24 miles high. Sometimes there is only one cloud, while other times there can be as many as 10. Have you ever witnessed any of these rare weather occurrences? Be sure to let us know down in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to The Riches for your daily dose of fun and facts. Thanks for watching.